GCSE 9-1 maths, going over similar shapes for similar triangles, okay, in hopefully 2 to 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so this is question 8 from a past exam paper, looking at similar shapes from a foundation tier. It's also applicable for higher tier students, okay. So we're told that triangles A, B, and C and D, E, F are similar. AB equals 6.5 centimeters, AC equals 5 centimeters, EF equals 18 centimeters, and DF equals 12. Part A, work out the length of DE. So the first step, guys, is to work out our ratio. So what we're going to multiply by to go from triangle ABC to DEF. So I'm going to multiply it by 12 divided by 5, 2.4, 12 fifths. Okay. And what's next? Well, to work out DE, I'm going to multiply 6.5 by 2.4. Okay. So if we work it out to the side, so do 65 times 24, and then divide our answer by 100. Okay. So multiplying decimals. Okay. So 4 fives are 20, so 0 carry the 2. 4 sixes are 24, plus the 2 makes 26. We put a placeholder, so carry a 0. I'm doing 20 times 65. 2 fives are 10, so 0 carry the 1. And 2 sixes are 12, plus the 1 makes 13. I'm now going to add my answers together. I'm going to obviously put in my decimal point at the end. 0 plus 0 makes 0. 6 plus 0 makes 6. 2 plus 3 makes 5. And 1 plus nothing makes 1. So our answer is going to be 15.60 or 15.6. That, guys, is our final answer. Okay. So the key with this topic, guys, is first step, work out your length scale factor. So how to go from the smaller shape to the bigger shape or vice versa. Okay, you multiply by 2.4. Then if you're going backwards, if you're wondering, you obviously divide by 2.4. Okay, divide by 12 fifths or multiply by 5 twelfths. Okay, either answer get you the mark. Okay, what about part B? Work out the length of BC. Well, again, so that'll be 18 divided by 2.4. Now, I'm going to write here as 18 divided by 12 fifths. Okay, so do math here is good for you. So 18 divided by 12 fifths. So that's same as doing 18 multiplied by 18 times 5 twelfths. So let's do some counting. So let's divide this and this by 6. So we get 3 and we get 2. 3 times 5 is 15 all over 2. And I get 7.5 or 7.5. Okay. So that'll be 7.5. Okay. And let's not forget our units. Okay. That'll be centimeters. And that's also centimeters for part A. So this topic here is called similar shapes. The key to remember is to work out the length scale factor that goes from the smaller shape to the bigger shape. Okay, so look here, your corresponding sides. So from 5 to 12, okay, we multiply by 2.4. I got that by doing 12 divided by 5, so 12 fifths. As a mixed number, that'll be 2 wholes and 2 fifths. And I recognize that 2 fifths as a decimal, 0.4, so I got 2.4 as a decimal answer. Okay, and from there, I realized that go from triangle ABC lengthwise, we multiply by 2.4, and go from triangle DEF to ABC, we divide by 2.4. Okay? So the key is to remember that you are always looking for a length scale factor that goes from the smaller shape to the larger shape. Okay, smaller shape to bigger shape. Okay, so you're always multiplying by something or dividing by something if you're going from larger to smaller. Okay? Yeah. Okay. So remember, yeah. And lastly, I remember that dividing by 12/5. Okay, so divided by a fraction is the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's the same as multiplying or timesing by 5/12. Okay. So remember, yeah, divided by a fraction, keep, flip, change. You keep the first number fraction the same. You flip the second fraction, and then you change divide to a times. So dividing by 12/5 is the same as multiplying by 5/12. Okay, so yeah, okay, that's just a little trick, yeah, in case this appears on a non-calc, okay, exam, yeah, is how we work with similar shapes. Okay, thank you.